In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy parent task columns to subitems in Monday.com. This is a great way to keep your projects organized and ensure that all relevant information is easily accessible to your team. So let's dive in and get started. First, head over to Monday.com and log into your account. If you're like many of us who use Google for everything, click on the Google option and choose your account to swiftly move through the login process. Once you're logged in, navigate to your desired board. This is where the magic happens, so make sure you're on the correct board that contains the parent task you intend to work with. Now, look for the task in your board and open up the subitems section. If you're new to using subitems, they're like mini tasks within a parent task, allowing you to break down your work into more detailed parts. You'll find an option to add a new column within this subitem section. Simply click on the plus icon to create a new column. This is where we'll be copying the data from the parent task columns. Next, the key feature we're focusing on, copy parent columns. This option makes it incredibly easy to duplicate relevant information from the parent tasks to your subitems. Once you find it, give it a click. You'll then see a menu pop up with a list of columns from your parent task. Take a moment to identify which column or columns you want to copy over. It's best to think about what information your team would need at a glance when working on subitems. After deciding which column to copy, click on it. This allows you to specify the precise information you want mirrored in your subitems. Finally, hit the Copy Column button to complete the process. It's satisfying to see the column appear in the subitems now containing the valuable information you've chosen to replicate. There you have it. You've now successfully copied a parent column into your subitems on Monday.com, ensuring that all pertinent task information is clearly displayed and easily accessible. This small yet significant step can streamline your workflow and improve team collaboration by keeping everyone on the same page. I hope you found this guide helpful and that it makes your work on Monday.com even easier and more efficient. If you're interested in learning more tips and tricks or have any questions, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more how-to videos just like this one.